YouTube. Look how cold it is. Check that out. 20. I know that ain't much for y'all northern people, but Dallas, Texas, that is freaking cold. Hey, get off my car. Hey, young guys. That's my brother over there having fun, enjoying the cold weather. Guys, it's freezing, man. Alright, well, I'm gonna go take a shower. Get ready to go outside and play in the snow. Freaking ice. It's freezing. Y'all wanna see me slide, guys? Check it out. Check it out. There's nothing but sheer ice. Alright, gotta go. Y'all check it out. I came out to my park. Well, more like a running park. Duck Creek. Yeah, I'm crazy like that. I just thought there would be some good opportunities for some pictures down here. See if I don't bust my head open right here. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Look at all that ice. Crap. I'm scared. Hold on. I'm gonna slide down. Watch. Dude, it is cold. And I was hoping that water would be frozen. What's up, y'all? Rupert here. Just doing a little photography in this freaking 20-degree weather. I know it's not that cold up in the north. This ain't nothing in the north, but whoa! Down in the south, man. Down in Texas. You know, we reckon down in Texas, this is new for us, man. Oh, check it out. This is where everybody from Garland, y'all know this, y'all come over here and swing off this branch into the dirty ass water. I don't know why. Let's see if I don't fall down. Whoa! What the crap? How are those ducks taking a bath? Hold on, photography moment. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, like I was saying, I'm here in this park, Duck Creek in Garland, taking some photography. Thought it would be a cool chance to get some cool photography around here. Know what I'm saying? There's too much ice. Did y'all see that though? Some ducks just taking a shower, man. Whew. But yeah, Y'all stay tuned for the photography. Nothing too spectacular. Just snowy day in Texas.
There's some Lone Star right here. Get up.
Bam! Right into the car.
Oh yeah, 180.
Do 180.
Oh, 360. Oh. We need to put salt to make it slicker. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did you get that?
You're going on YouTube, man. That was fake. 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 Acting.
Get addicts here. Try the 360. Oh, I can do a moonwalk easily on this ice. Try to do a moonwalk down, Alex. Interruption. Go, Alex, go. One more for you, YouTube. Oh, yeah.
You can put this on YouTube.
Here you go, YouTube. This is ghetto right here. We're gonna go skiing.
Wait, do you do it like this?
Yeah, I do it like that. Go. Oh, my gosh, you guys.
Hey, people, never try this at home.
Don't try this at home, guys.
Viewer discretion is advised.
I fell down already. I hurt myself. I hurt myself, man. Alright, I'm next. I'm gonna hold on to these straps. No, I'll push myself. Go on there.
That would have been funny if he would have made a snowball.
Fail.
And look where he lives.
Fail. Okay, YouTube. This is ghetto skiing. Go onto the walkway, down, hit the car. I fell down, busted my rib already. Alright, hold on, let's go. We're running. We're on to the next house. Just hurry up. Hurry up. Let's go. Onto the street. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, dude, that's all for now. We'll see if you can find any better ideas.
One more to do for
What's my name? Come on, it ain't that bad. Get out of my way. Thug life. I know how to drive this, boy. What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about, homeboy? Come on. Frozen spot. Watch out there, buddy. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that nigga almost? Look at that nigga. He's gonna spin out, watch. Front wheel drive rules, baby.
Hey, this is Bruno Mars, and you're checking out my station.
On my way to BK. Give me some good food, man. I hate being stuck in the house.
What's up, YouTube? It's cold. We're going skiing, sledding, whatever y'all call it, in Texas. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, we got photographer Alex right there. Oh, yeah. Classic. A slip.
Sliding down.
Woo.
For the cars. I didn't even hear that one.
Me neither. See this, YouTube? Pure ice. Alright, you two. My turn. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. And we're gonna record my reaction. Alright, you two. Here I am. I'm ready. Let's go. Oh my God! So yeah, let's go. Oh gosh, I'm getting ran down, bro. Look at the street, you guys.
It's not that slippery anymore.
Ice, that's all it is.
Dang, I wish I recorded that one.